You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. All right, welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. How we doing today? Well, if you're here, probably not too good, but it's about to get better. The Blue Devil Radiator Block Sealer is a great alternative solution if you recently discovered you have a cracked block or maybe even a leaking radiator. And it's really simple to install, so as a general maintenance note, if you have like a dirty or clogged cooling system, I'd really recommend flushing the whole system before proceeding with the installation. It's always wise to do that. All right, so when the engine is cold, what do? Remove the radiator cap. Now look, don't remove your radiator cap when the engine is hot. Your system is under a lot of pressure and the coolant is extremely dangerous at that temp. So let it cool to avoid any injury. Now you want to check your coolant level. If the radiator is full, drain enough antifreeze out of it to allow space for the Blue Devil Radiator Block Sealer. Now you want to start the engine and turn the heater to maximum setting. Now slowly pour the Blue Devil into the radiator as the vehicle idles. Now, if the vehicle does not have a radiator cap, which some of them don't, with the engine off and cold, the product may be installed through the top of the radiator hose. So don't ever pour it into your reservoir or your overflow tank. You want to get it right inside that radiator hose. Now, after installing Blue Devil, go ahead and replace that radiator cap and allow your vehicle to idle for about 45 minutes. Now once that's complete, allow the vehicle to cool, obviously, and simply top off the radiator with clean antifreeze or coolant. Blue Devil can remain in the system. It's a good thing, right? So drive your life, live leak-free, and we'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.